Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the Stephanie's Journeys family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that. Don't forget to click on that all on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today I have for you another Misfits haul. This is my first box for 2020. So if you are interested in seeing what I have in my box, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay guys, let's open up and see what I got this week. I did order a few additional items again this week. Just a few things, not a lot. So let's open it up and see what is in here. And it's been sitting for a day because I didn't open it do it yesterday. I ordered some oyster mushrooms. I do know I ordered extra mushrooms and I ordered extra oranges extra this time. So I got some, I don't know what this is, some kind of leaf. Maybe, I don't know, can't remember, but something. Some kind of green leafy something or another. I know I ordered some kale. And I ordered some dino kale, my favorites. I always order these. These look really good this time. They're big leaves. So ordered that. I don't know what kind of greens these are. I don't know if they are what, I don't know. Oh my god, this is a big old head of cabbage. I ordered cabbage on my regular order. The Brussels sprouts I ordered, this is one of my extras that I ordered. So, and this was one of the extra I ordered, my oyster mushrooms. So I do remember ordering those two extra and some oranges. And I got a eggplant, which is kind of small. They didn't even put an ice pack in here. That's different. I got some carrots, a bunch of carrots. Some of them been broken off, but that's okay, it's fine. I ordered some ginger extra. I grew some ginger in my garden, but I haven't dug it up. So I don't even know what it looks like. I don't know if it grew or not. The sweet potatoes didn't grow like I wanted them to, so I don't know if the ginger grew, but these look good. Gave me a lot. I'm going to freeze it. If you have ginger, you can freeze it and then just break off what you need or cut it when you need to use it so it doesn't go bad and dry out. But I've been making ginger tea with the COVID and stuff going on, so I would take, like, peel the skin off of it and chop it and boil it. I guess you can boil it whole too, but I just chop it up and boil it and then make ginger and put lemon and some agave and make ginger tea. Sometimes I put a tea bag in it, sometimes I do not. I just drink it as is, but yeah. Then I ordered some sweet potatoes. They sent me 2. And then I got 1 zucchini and 1 cucumber. I did it up a little bit. Not too bad. A little small zucchini, just 1. And then I ordered, I think, 2 different kinds of oranges. Navel oranges, and then I ordered the tangerines, tangelos, or whatever you want to call them. I call them all the same thing. So I got 3 regular navel oranges, and then I should have 12 because I ordered 2 of one kind and then 2 of another. So I got 2 of the regular little tangerines. I ordered a bunch of oranges because, you know, one at a time people start getting sick. And for me, if I eat oranges, I don't catch colds or nothing. So I try to eat some vitamin C every day. So I got a bunch of oranges because I'm out. I just have one left. So I got like 16 oranges. 15 because one I only got 3. But I ordered extra of all the oranges except for one. The navel oranges came as part of my box, and then I ordered tangerines because I prefer tangerines or tangelos or whatever you call it. And then I got another mango, and this one is the red mango. I never know the difference. The other one I got was green, this one is red, so you know, they're fine. And let's see what they put in here. 2 of the same thing, which is what they're running specials on for July. I've never had that before. Amla powder. Don't even know what that is. They got a superfruit blend, which that's not bad. $9.99. It's 4 ounces though. That's kind of small. So that's it for what they showcasing as their sale item. And for the drink, for their recipe, they're sending a pomegranate vanilla bean sangria, which that's probably delicious if you're a drinker. I don't really drink too much anymore, but I would make that without the alcohol. This looks like it doesn't have any alcohol in it though. No, it doesn't. Oh no, it has a red wine. But like if you don't drink, I guess you can substitute that with a bubbly red wine, a red sparkling grape juice. I bet you they'll do the same thing. Bet you that'll be good. Oh, and they got brandy. I really don't drink too much anymore, but yeah. And then it has soda water. So it makes 6 cups. So this is the recipe. Let me get it centered, and then I'll take a picture so that I can put it on the screen for you guys. And this is the back with the recipe. Okay, there we are with that. So that is it. Like always, I would leave my code on the bottom of the screen so you guys can order if you're interested in ordering anything. And I also put on the screen as usual what I purchased, what I selected, and what I actually purchased, so that you can see that as well and see if I got everything that I actually listed or not, because sometimes I do and sometimes I don't. What I purchased was I purchased a bunch of tangerines, tangelos, some Brussels sprouts, and some oyster mushrooms. And then what I selected for my box was some ginger, which they gave me a lot more than I normally get. So I got some ginger, some carrot, one little small eggplant, 2 sweet potatoes, 1 zucchini, 1 cucumber, some dino kale, some regular kale. This, I don't know what it is. It might be broccoli sprouts. Not broccoli sprouts. Brussels, I don't know. I don't know what this is. Some kind of green. I'll look when I see what I selected, or they might have given me this, but I'm sure it's something I selected, but I don't know what it is. So that greens, and that's it. It's not a lot in my box. Oh, and 1 big old head of cabbage. I love cabbage. And my mango. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, I'll leave my code here on the bottom. On your first box, when you use my code, you get 25% off. I think it is. And I get 25% off my next box. So yeah, you guys go out there and look. They have lots of extra stuff that you can purchase now. Way more stuff that you can purchase that they didn't have. So if you've been thinking about it, just go check it out. And if you decide to purchase something, just use this code that I have on the bottom. And yeah, thank you guys for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.